Ops services. Has anyone like just walked in for the research portion? Like who wasn't here for the general education, demos, stuff like that? Okay, this side of the room? Okay, all right. It's time for live audience engagement. I'm bringing up the energy in here. Noah,
Yes.
can I put you on the hot mic?
Okay.
What is your favorite part of RITSEC so far?
So far, my favorite part of RITSEC is the amount of people here and the amount of activities and genres where I can branch out and do whatever I want.
Bang! What interest groups interest you?
All of them.
All of them. Name some of them.
Name some of them. Okay. Sorry.
He's pulling up his notes. Okay. Who here? I know that a bunch of you weren't here for the general meeting. Who's interested in in offensive security? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the place to be. You weren't here for the general meeting, but this is a great place. You're going to learn so much. Pull up to vulnerability research, red teaming, reversing, contagion, everything. Who wants just to be smarter? You want to be smarter? 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 This is the place to be. What's your name?
Mamadou, yeah.
What interests you?
Offensive security, like pen testing, red teaming, and yeah.
That's beautiful, Mamadou. Do you know what ops is?
Honestly, I couldn't tell you.
No. No ops? Do you know what ops is?
I've never heard that in my life.
I talked to you at the activity fair. Do you remember? Do you remember my name? Banned. Ban him. Get him out. Ariana, do you know what ops is?
Nope.
You don't know what ops. You don't know what ops is? I don't want to brag, but you're looking at an ops team member right here. Ooh. Ops so cool. Anton, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Amazing. I'm about to present about ops. You know what ops is? Of course. What is it? Terrible. Okay. Offensive security, all this stuff sounds like really cool, right? Like everyone's interested in that, but you can't have all that without having a good understanding of the technology and infrastructure behind all of it. Is that right, Drew? Yeah, man. Is that right? Yeah, great. Perfect. Okay. So ops, what can we do for you? Is there a description? I didn't make these slides. John Arundel, our glorious ops lead, made them. He's a great guy. Okay, so it does not talk about what ops is. Ops is basically the shadow organization which is behind the club, which manages all the infrastructure we use for just about everything. So our club website, ops infrastructure. Our OpenStack, where we give you server allocation so you can work on your own projects, ops infrastructure. Anything which lets the club just, run and, enable stuff like competitions, all that stuff, that's all ops. So let's look at some of these services. So OpenStack, like I mentioned, this is our server deployment. So in a room upstairs, we have a big stack of servers with a bunch of resources. And if you message one of us on the ops team, or I'll show you how to put in a help desk ticket, you can get an allocation of that resources to work on your own projects. So how does 50 gigabytes of RAM and 100 gigabytes of storage sound? That's a lot. That's a lot of resources. And as long as you're not making like anything horrendous, it's up to whatever you want to do. So someone came up to me and asked, hey, can I make a Minecraft server on it? Of course. If you want to just do a web server, sure. If you want to test malware, Ronan, can we do that on the stack? No, you cannot do that. Do not do that. Do not do that. But you can do most of anything else. It doesn't have to be RITSEC related. SSO, this is our single sign-on solution. So this is what we're going to use for all of our other services. So like if you have access for the GitLab, you can sign in with your SSO credentials. I know a lot of people here, they were doing the CTF before. That's through SSO. It's just an easy way to sign in. You don't have to keep track of a bunch of different credentials. Obi, this is the robot that you talked to when you signed up for the Discord. Obi was developed by one of our students, Max Fusco, and this is our Discord bot. And it has a lot of functionality, like, it lets us do voting. It like manages permissions, so you can join different, join all these different things. GitLab is our privately hosted code repository. This is where we have stuff like competition code, so like our automation for these competitions, red team tools, other stuff which we use for the club. CTFD, this is what you were using earlier for the demos, and if you weren't using the demos, this is what we use for our capture the flag. This is the platform we use. So all that was running where you click on that thing, you put in the flag, and it's like, ooh, you got the flag, you get points. That's all CTFD. Resume review. This is a great resource. If you are unsure about your resume, you post it there. There's a lot of people who, third, fourth years who have a lot of experience, and they can give you some pointers on what to change. And help desk. This is the key to all the knowledge you seek. So if you don't know how to do any of this stuff, go to that URL. And I think we're just going to jump into how do I get verified on Discord? So did everyone join the Discord here? Raise your hand if you join the Discord. Okay, you should join the Discord. Just scan. Okay, so I'm going to put you on some game. Go to ritsec.club, right? Is that our URL for the website? Or, just go to the RITSEC website, look up RITSEC, go to that website and click on Discord, and then you can start that process. It'll start you on this process. It's not just like join the Discord and that's it. Trust me, I still know how to do it. So you're going to have to join Discord, run the /member command in the place where it sends you, and then you just follow all the prompts. So it's going to be straightforward from there. Just make sure you do that so you can, register your RIT email address, authenticate that, and then you can start to, do all that stuff. And then you can join like certain roles. So if you're interested in the ops IG, then you can join the ops role. If you want to get like part of that channel for, I don't know, any interest group, mentorship. There's even just like some random stuff like food around Rochester. If you're interested in home labbing, there's a role for that. So yeah, just join the roles and get what interests you. How do I get access to services? This is very important. Everybody, if you want to use our services, go to sso.ritsec.cloud and sign up. And it's very easy, straightforward. You create your account using your RIT email. You verify it, and check spam, it might be in there. You verify it, and you're good. Now you have SSO and whatever other stuff it needs for help desk, GitLab, stuff like that, you'll have SSO. OpenStack access. This is for the juicy 50 gigabytes of RAM, 100 gigabytes of storage that everybody wants. Go to help.ritsec.cloud. You use your RIT email and then create a ticket for OpenStack access, and we can get you an account as soon as we can. And you profit. And then how do you get help? Do you have general questions? Use the hashtag questions channel on Discord. And if you need a ticket, just create a ticket on the help desk, and they'll send it to our entire ops team, and we can answer as soon as we can. Yeah, and don't be afraid to reach out to your ops team. We're all super nice. We want to do things. We want to help you out. Any questions? Yes.
You never clarified what ops was.
Ops? Ops is the operations team. So basically, all that, all this like club managed resources, like the stuff which is private to our club, like that GitLab, that's only accessible to our club. The Discord bot, which we use for our Discord, to give you all the like the roles and all the sign up stuff, that is all, ops managed infrastructure. CTFD, all this stuff has to be created for RITSEC, and that's all managed by ops. All right. Any other questions? Who wants an OpenStack account? You want an OpenStack? Okay. More hands. More hands. More OpenStack accounts. More. Everyone raise their hands. Everyone's getting OpenStack accounts. What do you want to do with them? Yeah, no. Crypto, no. Crypto mining? Ronan, can we do that? Crypto mining? Wow. Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy. Audience engagement time. What do you want to do with the stack? Yes, perfect. Open stack for you. Poo! Check your computer. Okay. Are you going to come to Ops IG?
I'll try to.
You'll try to? Do you know what Ops is?
Nah, what is it?
He asked when, I think.
Banned. Get him out. It's a very cool plan. What? Monday 6 to 7. Everybody in the club needs to be there or you're kicked out. I'm joking. No, that's not true. But it's great. If you have any questions about how to reach out, how to use the Discord, or how to navigate the calendar, just message an ops member. Put it in questions, put it in the help desk, and it's going to be great. It's going to be a great time. Any questions? That was a great presentation. I'm going to be honest.
Everyone applaud. That was a great presentation. Now we'll transition.